like! Quick click!
I've got a new notebook ready. Today's craft stars are Crayon, Shin-chan, and Whitey. If you're ready to craft with Lime, hit that like button and let's learn. Let's go! Sketch with a pencil. At this stage, it's helpful to roughly determine the size and shape. I'll draw Crayon Shin-chan with a black marker pen. I really like the Shin-chan character because he's so quirky and funny. What about your friends? I emphasize drawing the hip-shaking motion as Shin-chan's trademark move. I'll erase the pencil lines cleanly with an eraser. Let's have fun coloring! Yay! Paint your skin all over with pastel peach color. Hurry up! I can almost hear Shin-chan's woola woola sound. Ta-da! Use a black pen to color in thick eyebrows and hair. I'll color the pants with a yellow marker pen. I'll add some bouncy accents with a white color pen. Apply the tape all the way to the margins. I'm going to fold the paper and cut it. Cut out the picture with scissors and set it aside. Oh! I'll use Scotch tape to connect the front and back pages that have come apart. The more curved the area, the better it is to apply it with closely spaced cuts. I'll fill the hole you left with cotton balls. Add as many cotton balls as you like. I'm going to pack mine full. Carefully cover any remaining holes with tape. Heh, isn't Shin-chan cute with his plump little butt? Will you make Whitey Shin-chan's best friend too? I like Shin-chan, but I like Whitey even more. When drawing Whitey, I'll make the waves appear as if they're gently rippling. I even drew a big sweat drop. I'll draw those long ears fluttering in the wind. Whitey's flustered face is just too cute, isn't it? Use an eraser to cleanly erase the pencil lines. I'm coloring my lips with a black marker. I'll color the Whitey panties with brilliant blue dye. They're really big pants. Ta-da! The white one is all stuffed up and ready to go. I'll take out one wet wipe and cut it into 4 pieces. I'll start by coloring 2 cutout tissues. Hurry up! Unlike paper, it's not easy to color. Hold the wet wipe in place with your finger while coloring. Now turn it inside out and insert the cotton balls. I'll fold the wet wipes neatly like folding dumpling. Shape it well so it becomes round when turned over. Now I'll tie it tight so it won't come undone. We'll neatly trim it with scissors. I've prepared 4 plump, juicy balls like this. Please attach double-sided tape to the picture you made earlier. Let's finish making cute Shin-chan's squishy butt. Let's plant a butt bomb in Whitey's underwear. How about this cute and fun squishy butt? If you enjoyed it, please hit subscribe and like. Stay tuned for what we'll make next.